Wholeness and balanced vibrations, everyone. Today is the end of day 5 of the juicing feast. Very quick video today. Today was a very nice, energetic day as well. I love the juice. We had carrots and apples. Yeah, there was nothing in there further. Yeah, the reason I'm forgetting is because I was really busy working on the juice for tomorrow. So very short video in terms of feelings. I felt wonderful. Sometimes, you know, I really feel when I'm like running low on energy and then just drinking up the juice and I'm already back. And today actually I also realized that I have no bowel movements for a very I think already 1 or 2 weeks now. Yeah, I've had no bowel movements. Only I go to ease myself a lot, which is normal because everything just runs through. And then again, in terms of the activities and what I did in the morning, I did some workouts on the trampoline. I don't know how we call that in English. I did some workout like just jumping around, just getting that metabolism going through. The reason I'm speaking a little bit with low volume is because I already have people sleeping. Don't want to wake them up. Yeah, so yeah, and I did some work and, you know, trading and things like that. Also one thing that I realized today is yeah, during fasting, if you're like doing like kind of manual labor under a hot sun, you can easily run out of energy, so be cautious of that. I was trying to install a camera today and there was a lot of sun. The reason I say trying was because I had some problems, I had some difficulties, but apparently it worked out. I'm still waiting to hear from the client tomorrow if everything's okay. Yes, for tomorrow, day 6, we are ready. Already got my juice here. Tomorrow is gonna be a green day. Green medicinal. Yeah, because we have a lot of stuff in here. A lot of stuff. Guys, with that being said, I'm heading off to bed. I'm very tired. I've been standing like for 2.5 hours now because it's quite a lot. I have like 3 bottles of this, and yeah, sometimes when you put in the energy, you can feel it. You can feel that you've run low of energy. So with that being said, guys, have a great day. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are hanging in there. And yeah, for those of you who are just starting, big up, thumbs up. Let's keep this thing moving, and I will see you guys on the next one. Futurist Legit signing out. See you on day 6.